Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have your goal. Now start building. Sign into Google and create a new form or pick a template to save time. Name the survey and write a 1 or 2 sentence description that tells respondents why their input matters. Add your initial questions immediately. Choose between multiple choice for single answers, short answer for free text, or drop-downs for compact lists. Once done, set the first critical question to required so you capture essential data from everyone. Next, refine how respondents move through the survey. Create sections and use score section logic to show or hide questions based on answers. This reduces fatigue and improves data quality. Apply response validation when you need a number, an email, or a minimum character count so entries are consistent. If collecting files, enable uploads and restrict file types and sizes to avoid large attachments. Also, invite collaborators with edit access to speed review and keep the structure consistent. Finalize by previewing the form on desktop and mobile and test every branch yourself or with a teammate. Configure collection settings. Choose whether to collect emails, require sign-in, limit to 1 response, or allow edits after submit. These choices influence response authenticity and convenience. Link responses to a Google Sheet for real-time analysis and export CSV when needed. If you get 0 responses, check sharing permissions first. Make sure anyone with the link can respond or adjust sign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.